If you can walk, you can become a runner. But here's the truth. Most people quit running in the first week. Not because they're lazy, but because they start the wrong way. They go too fast. They push too hard. They try to run like someone who's been training for years. And within minutes, they're exhausted. So let me show you the smarter way to start. Running is not about speed. It's about consistency. And consistency starts with something most people ignore. Walking. Yes, walking. If you think walking doesn't count, that mindset is exactly what makes people fail. Walking builds your base. It strengthens your joints. It prepares your heart and lungs. And most importantly, it gets you used to showing up. Because the hardest part is not running. It's starting. Here's exactly what to do on day 1. Don't run non-stop. Instead, use this method. Run for 1 minute, then walk for 2 minutes. Repeat that for 20 to 30 minutes. That's it. Because one day, that walk turns into a jog. This method does 2 things. It builds your endurance. Without destroying your motivation, you finish the workout feeling strong, not defeated. And that's how you come back the next day. Now let's talk about why this matters. Running is one of the most powerful things you can do for your body. It burns fat. It strengthens your heart. It increases your energy. But the real benefit? Mental strength. Every time you go out, even when you don't feel like it, you build discipline. You prove to yourself, I can do hard things. And that confidence carries into everything else in your life. Before you run, always warm up. Don't skip this. Just 3 to 5 minutes. Light jogging in place. Leg swings. Arm circles. Why? Because a cold body gets injured. A warm body performs. Simple as that. After your run, take a few minutes to stretch. Focus on your hamstrings, your calves, your hips. Listen, you don't need to be fast. This keeps your body flexible. And flexibility keeps you consistent. Because when your body feels good, you actually want to train again. All you need is to start. Slow, simple, 1 step at a time. So here's the question. Day 1 starts today. Are you in? This is Uncle Fit. Be proud of yourself.